Welcome. Okay. Can you hear me? Welcome back to another webinar for this week on the learning content creators. Right. Last week we did something. We started something with our 3D avatar and we uh, imported it to PowerPoint. Right. We imported it to PowerPoint. Can you hear me? Welcome back. Okay. So we imported our 3D avatar into PowerPoint and made sure it's animated from readyplayer.me. Right. So this week, somebody requested for personalized animation, right? Which is cool. Though I told the person that you need a motion capture, but somehow I figured it out on how to actually personalize the motion of your Ready Player avatar, right? So you create an avatar, you want your kind of motion. The person that was asking if the person can dance a zonto or so, something like that. I said, I said you person will have to wear motion capture, but I figured out a way that you could get a dance video, right? Get the moves on that video, right? And convert it to the moves of your avatar animation. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and some other to the new stuff that that will be sharing today for free. So what we're trying to do today is you have this special dance moves that is not in Mixamo, right? It's not in Mixamo animations, and you want your avatar to dance that kind of move because some of the moves in Mixamo, right? They are more foreign kind of dance, hip hop dance that are not too. Though we did dance that such moves early in the days, but now we have more of our local dances or local hip hop for our kind of music, right? And you want that to be a part of your 3D animation on PowerPoint. So I'll be showing you the first easy way to do it, and it's just straightforward. So that will be what we're going to be figuring out today. So quickly, the website. Okay, I'll share the website on the link later, and I'll share the website on the link. But there's this website, the Deep Motion, right? So it's a AI website that very powerful website that enable you capture the motions on a video, right? If it's a dance move, if it's a walking step, if it's a gesture on a video, and you can actually extract it and add it to your avatar, and then you import it on PowerPoint, and it's straightforward. So you don't need to do the pipeline. There is very straightforward. You will not need to go through too many hoops, right, on that. So first and foremost, we'll check out. I'll share my screen so that you get to see what it looks like. Okay. So that's my screen. So this is the website Deep Motion, right? So let's go through the website. 3D animates 3D. Let's see the first one. Animate 3D, generate 3D animation from video. So that's what we are doing. We're trying to generate 3D animations from a video. So it means you can actually capture yourself, right? You can actually capture yourself dancing. If you have a special dance move, you can record it on your phone, import it to the website, and the website will extract that move and convert it to your 3D animation. So if you created an avatar for yourself, you can see your avatar dancing like you in reality. So that's what we're going to be figuring out today. We have that. So we have 3D animate 3D motion from video, real-time body tracking. These are advanced features. So this is a very powerful website, deepmotion.com. So all you just need to, let's check out the pricing so that we know what is free and what you're getting for throughout the premium and the freemium, right? So for a monthly starter, you have the annual and you have the monthly, right? So let's start with the monthly, right? So you have the freemium, right? It gives you 30 seconds for a month, right? 30 seconds free animated video for a month. Most of the motions you see in dance moves, most of them you might see 2 minutes, right? So you just need certain kinds of move in your video. That is where it comes in handy. So it's going to give you 30 seconds for the free per month. 30 seconds free video per month. You have the starter, which gives you 180 seconds per month. That's for $25 and all that. So you have full body motion tracking. It gives you, the good thing about it is for Replayer, it animates your avatar and allows you download it directly as FBX, which works with PowerPoint, and any other video 3D animation like Blender too. So you can also put it as FBX. These are 3D format and MP4. So you can just have the video straight up downloaded and you can watch it and share it with your friends. I'll use it for your adverts, right? So the maximum single video upload, so you cannot upload more than 10 seconds dance move. So you make sure you are cutting the video maybe to 5 seconds, but anything less than 10 seconds. Then it gives you HD, right? It gives you HD download. You can download HD, half HD, 720p. This is full HD, and these are 4K videos, right? So these are for trials, and it's going to be as clear as possible. I shared the animated video earlier on. I shared it on our platform maybe yesterday or the day before yesterday or so. So that's what we're going to be doing. Then Foot Locker, it has Foot Locker. That's motion on foot, right? And also physics filter. So that's what you get free, 30 seconds per month. So you can use it to actually if you have a story or a 3D animation story you want to create, you can actually use it to generate special scenes or special moves that you want in your 3D animation. So once you are done, you just sign in, right? You just click on sign up. You click on sign up. It's a bit straightforward with the sign up, your name, your email address, your company, what best describe your interest in 3D animation, game development. So check the boxes and get started. It's going to send you a message in your email box to confirm. So once you're done, you will be here. Okay, first and foremost, you make sure you already have your readyplayer.me account set up and create your 3D avatar. You know, remember I created 3D avatars of several characters, right? So you could create your avatar and use any of them for your 3D animation, right? Now, next, once you have created your avatar, you come to your account setup on your Deep Motion 3D and Animate 3D, right? So you come to this account first and foremost and go to create animation, right? These are an example I've used before. So you can go to create animation and click on motion. Now you would have made sure you have your video clip of the motion or the dance move you want. I'll be taking this, for example, this dance move by DJ Highway and all that.
On the highway. Okay. To be on the highway. Yeah.
So this moves, you remember it's 10 seconds, right? So I'll just clip maybe 2 or 3 seconds, 4 or 5 seconds from this dancing, and that's what we're using as our animation, right? Let's see. Okay. Okay, so let's see that, right? So I'll just clip this. This is a simple video player on Microsoft Windows 10, right? I come here. I want to trim from 38 seconds, from 38 seconds. I'll come there and let's see. Let's see, 38 seconds. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's say from 30. Right? Okay, let's say from 30. Okay, 34, right? And I'll drag it here. I just want to clip the seconds motion I'll be adding to my video. Okay, right? So this is where we'll just
Be on a highway. Man, the trouble, what up, and highway. Be on a highway.
so this is the motion I want from 34 to 38. That's 4 seconds, right? So I just click on save as. So this is a video player in my computer, right? This is a video player in my computer. So I just name it test dance, right? So this is the dance. So is this a video? You can record your own video on your smartphone and do that if you don't want to use any special move outside outside your avatar. So you can just okay. So it's saved. I just clipped it. I just trimmed the video, right? I trimmed only 4 seconds of that video that is necessary for me. So what I simply do is come okay, let's say this library, right? Let's say you want to connect deep motion to your ready player because they have this synergy, right? So you can go to your 3D models, right? You can remove this character or you can create a new character, right? Available character, new character, and upload character, right? So I want to create a character. Now, look at it, it's powered by Ready Player. So every character you have created on readyplayer.me will be shown here, right? Okay. Let's see. Let me take this lady, the black lady there, right? Let me take the black lady and use her for this animation. Okay, so this lady, so you can make adjustment to her skin tone. It's almost like you are working on Ready Player, but now it's an interface for deep motion. So I go to next, and now remember, everything is working with internet. Test dance. So everything is working on internet and everything is online using Google Chrome, right? So it's not an app, it's more of like a what do they call it? It's more like a web platform. It's more like a web platform. So it will just load it. It's trying to load the Ready Player avatar. That's this avatar, right? It's trying to load it into deep motion for animation, right? In Ready Player, it's just the avatar you created. You just created your avatar. In deep motion, you want to add your new custom has been successfully created. So you want to add your specific or customized animation to your avatar. So remember, we've cut 4 seconds of the clip. So I'll just browse my file here, come here, and this is it. Okay, great. So if you're online, let's see. Okay. Okay. So this is 3.87 seconds, right? So this is what we are going to play on this avatar now. So
Be on a highway. Man, the trouble, what up, and
you can see the dance move. So you come here, you want it as FBX output, face tracking, you want face tracking, and what else? Okay. What else? So that's it. Just make sure it's face tracking so that any face movements can also be implemented in your avatar. So you create animation. It tells you animation we use 4 of your 24 seconds. Remember, I used 6 seconds out of the 30 seconds free per month, right? Now I'm using 4 out of the 24 seconds remaining. So it's meaning I'll have 20 seconds after creating this. So this all on. So start the job. You wait a little bit while it's loading. Wait a little bit while it's loading. Okay. Now remember, once it's been created, you can download it as FBX, as an FBX file for PowerPoint 3D animation and any other animated software. You can also download it as a video directly to your computer. But we are working with PowerPoint FBX format. FBX is just a format for 3D animation, 3D avatar files or 3D object files, right? So it's almost done, very fast since it's online. So it's almost done. Great. We are there. So let's see what our animation is going to look like. It's almost loading. Now you can see I can download animation here, right? I can download it directly here, but let's see what it looks like from the website. I'll share on the webinar header. I will share on the webinar header after this, once I'm done. Okay, so now this is the interface for viewing what your animation looks like. So I just click OK. Okay, so that's it. I get it. So you can see it's replaying. Let me.
Be on a highway, man, the trouble, what up, and highway, what up, and highway. Be on a highway, man, the trouble, what up, and highway, what up, and highway. Be on a highway, man, the trouble, what up, and highway, what up, and highway. Be on a highway, man, the trouble, what up, and highway, what up, and highway. Be on a highway, man, the trouble.
So you can see what it looks like. Very beautiful, very on point with the video. So this is the video I got the clip from, and the animation is added to my avatar. So what I simply do now is I can download animation straight up to my computer. Now if I click download, it asks me BHF. So I just click FBX, right? FBX, and I download straight up. I download it. So it's going to be okay. So it's downloaded on my computer. I can click on it. It's zipped. It's downloaded as a zip file, right? Okay. So on the zip file, you see two files there, the FBX, C pose. So these are the pose. The pose means the avatar without the animation, and this is the avatar with the animation. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. So I'm just going to check it out on the 3D viewer, right? While that is loading, let's see what it looks like. Okay. You can see it. This is my 3D viewer. So automatically I can import this on PowerPoint, right? This is awesome. You can import it directly into PowerPoint. So let's see what it looks like on PowerPoint. I'll extract to my download folder. All right. Okay. Extract these two to my download folder. So I'll just go to PowerPoint. This is the first one I created. New slide. Go to insert. Go to 3D models for my device. And let's see what it looks like. So I'll just download the two files that we had in the zip folder that was extracted. Okay. So, okay. Both of them seem to be doing the dance thing. Aha. So you can see it. This is what you have. So it's just 4 seconds. You can extend it to, it should not be more than 10 seconds as for the free account, right? So this is just a sample to show that you can actually customize your avatar to do a specific dance move or a specific gesture after recording it from your phone screen or from your phone video camera and exporting it to deep motion. So you can see this is cool. This is cool.
What
This
up,
is
Anyaye?
cool. This is cool.
Be on the highway. Man, the trouble. What up, Anyaye? Be on the highway. Man, the trouble. What up, Anyaye?
So you can see the lady avatar has been animated. So let's see what it looks like from the back.
Man, the trouble. What up, Anyaye? Be on the highway. Man, the trouble. What up, Anyaye? Be on the highway. Man, the trouble. What up, Anyaye?
Okay, so that's for personalizing your animation for your avatar. You record it with your video camera, the dance move or the motion. You bring it to deep motion, add it to your avatar, and you are good to go. It takes the form or the motion of your avatar, of your video, right? The motion of your video is added to your avatar. So quickly, for the 2D PowerPoint slide, so there's this website. Where is it? Okay, for this website, Doratoon.com, right? So it gives you, these are templates, right? So it gives you ability to create 2D animation slides, and you can export it as PowerPoint, right? So you just come to the website here, Doratoon.com. The pro, I think they are the paid for version, right? So you look for the free version. Let's say wants this, right? Want this baby memory album, right? Let's say we want that. And you want to create a slideshow for that. Good for baby dedication. And if you want to use it for classroom, you can actually select education. Where is it? You can see if you are using it for your own training or your marketing or your business or your HR or product review or a product promotion. You can pick the necessary category there. So you can pick on, okay, English. So let's take this English course, right? English course training, right? Let's see what it looks like. Let's pick it out. Okay. So you can play it to see what it looks like or what it will look like at the end. So now it's showing you can add text here. So this is like the video of what it will look like at the end, right? So when you are editing, you just click on edit. Mind you, like I said, it's not an app, it's a web-based platform. So it works with Google Chrome. It's online. It works with Google Chrome. Right? Okay. So here you have the different pages for your animation. So these are just templates that you can work with, right? And you can make use of other items outside that template, right? You can make use of other items. You can add background, add text, add characters, right? You can add more characters, and you can add props. You can add sound. You can add meme. You can check out your scene back, right? So I will not be doing too much of adjustments on it, but I just want to show you how it works, right? So once you're done with each, once you double click, you can edit, right? You can edit once you double click. For example, the text here, right? You can test it, test, test 2 and test 3. So adjust it any way you see fit. Adjust it. Just go through this menu for the like you're formatting it to make sure that everything is so you can change the color of the character, right? So this is like a white student, right? You can change it to, let's say, invert color, right? Sepia. Okay, let's say you want it to be a black student. Let's see the contracts. You can change it. You can blur it. Change the brightness. All right. So okay. So whatever you want to do, you do it, and you preview to check it. You can add subtitles if you're adding a voiceover on it. This is your voiceover here, right? If you want to add your voice, if you want to add a lens camera angle to it and all that. So it's a very rich and free content creation, 2D content creation for PowerPoint. So you just click on export, right? Once you're done, you click on export and you check on its title, tag, description. Now all these, if there will be watermark, right? So if you don't want watermark, you will have to pay for it, custom watermark and all that. If you want to upload maybe your logo and all that, so we just use the basics here, right? You can go for the 480p or the HD, right? So you click on OK. So it's going to submit your data. Just wait a little bit for it. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so this is it rendering here. It's loading it. It's loading your finished work. Now, what we are going to do now, it can export it to PowerPoint. So you see what it looks like in PowerPoint as a slideshow, right? And you can also download it as a video. If you want to use it for an advert or for a promo, you can download it straight up to a video as a video. So why it's doing that, you see, under this option here, right? These are the previous work I did with it. Under this option, you can see export your work into PowerPoint. There's PPT. Export, you can delete, you can change the work setting, and you can download it straight up into your as a video to your computer. So it's loading. Okay. I hope it does that a bit faster. Anyway, because it will depend on your internet speed, right? It's going to depend on your internet speed because it has to render it online, right? Rather than just using your system, it has to render it online using Chrome. I think my internet is a bit fast. Okay. Okay, let's see what's the previous, while we're waiting for that, let's see what the previous work looks like on PowerPoint. So this is what I created earlier. So I'll just click on export to PowerPoint and see what it looks like on PowerPoint. So this is your 2D animation that you're exporting into PowerPoint as a presentation, right? From 2D animation here on Doratoon to PowerPoint as a 3D animation. Okay, Mr. Shegun, thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining the webinar. Thank you for watching. Okay, it's almost done. Let's see. Okay, this is done. It's completed, right? So let's see what it looks like. You can see it's loading. Okay. Wow. Oh, that's okay. let's see. Let's see. It's going to look like very nice on PowerPoint. Very nice. Aha. So this is the first video I created, right? So let me see if the English video is set. Okay. Uh, I guess it's still loading. The number of works too can be increased with enhanced number of benefits. Okay. Oh, because the pro. Okay. So the first work I did looks like this, right? The first work I did looks like this, right? I didn't do any editing. It was just simple. So if I'm running it on PowerPoint, I just go to slide, right? So it looks something like this. So you could add voice to it if you want to put voice. You could put voice to it, and very beautiful presentation, very different from the normal PowerPoint presentation we are used to. So you see the slides added, right? You see the slides added. The only thing, you can also edit it if you want to edit it on PowerPoint, right? You can also edit it directly on PowerPoint. You can edit the, what they call it, you can edit the text, add image if necessary, but or rather you just do it on the website of Doratoon, and later on you can do any other work on PowerPoint. So those are the two websites we've checked out today. 3D, customizing your 3D animation and using Doratoon to create a presentation, 2D presentation in PowerPoint, right? So that's it for our webinar today. If you have a question, please do ask and share in the comment section, and I'll see you in our next webinar. Hopefully by next week we'll be having another great webinar on the learning content creators and using these free tools to enhance your animation in PowerPoint to start working or creating your own storyline or creating your own 3D animation. So I remain your host, Shadu Jude. Have a wonderful day this evening.